that she wasn't gonna have to cry again. Damn, now we walking in the court again. I'm steady sacking up the dope, trying to feed my fam. I break it down and double tap it like it's Instagram. My mama begging me to come to church and be a Christian, but the preacher stealing, and I don't see a difference. But I'm falling on my knees, God help me please. Protect my children, cause my demons like to follow me. They know I walk through the valley, I will fear no evil. And I ain't walking out the house without my pistol either. Be careful how you walk up on me, cause I'm trigger happy. I don't wanna explain, I don't know how it happened. He walked up on me, I felt threatened, so I started blasting. I'm sorry, but I hate he had to have a closed casket. Doing time in the cage, that shit for the birds. But if you try me, I do my time, that's on my word. Sometimes how I think can be a blessing and a curse. I got the keys, I'm just praying that it work. Remember riding 3 deep in the Bonneville. I was hanging out the window, I was trying to kill. That's what my loyalty showed, I was down to ride. And if they said you weren't my partner, boy, them niggas lied. They told me you had got shot, boy, I almost cried. I grabbed my pistol in my black like it was time to ride. R.I.P. my nigga John, free my nigga Jordan. When you make it home, it's back to ball and back to scoring. I had to cut some niggas off because they wasn't solid. Will he tell on me again? I don't know, probably. Granny told me how you make your bed, you gotta lay. I gotta get this money, I gotta get paid. And I gotta go and get your baby, gotta eat. I promise not to let these busters trick me off the street. And it's still free AG, my cousin coming home. The judge ain't even have to send my nigga up the road.